So, again, sir, we're gonna do technique 2 first. This is the cough technique. So, what you're going to do is that put your both forearm on your abdomen, and then when you're trying to cough, push your forearm onto your abdomen downward. So, when you try to cough, push your forearm on your abdomen, butt downward. Sige, sir. Let's start, sir. So, when you try to cough, then push and then down.